In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Your chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping in QuickBooks. It's the list of all the accounts you use to track what your business owns, owes, earns, and spends. So knowing how to edit it properly is really important for keeping your reports accurate and easy to understand. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to the main dashboard. At the very top right corner of your screen, you'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps a lot of your company and account settings, so you'll use this menu often as you customize your books. Once the settings menu opens, look for the section labeled Your Company. Under that column, you'll see an option called Chart of Accounts. Click on Chart of Accounts to open the full list of all the accounts in your company file. You should now see a table with all your accounts, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific account you want to edit. You can scan the list manually, or if you have a lot of accounts, use the search bar or filters at the top of the page to narrow it down by name or type. When you've located the account you want to change, look over to the right-hand side of that row. You'll see a small drop-down arrow, sometimes under a column labeled Action. Click that drop-down arrow to open a small menu of options for that account. From this menu, choose Edit. This will open the Account Details window where you can update the information for that account. Here, you can change the account name to something clearer or more meaningful for your business, update the account number if you're using a specific numbering system, and adjust the account type and detail type so that it shows up correctly on your financial reports. You can also add or edit the description to give yourself or your team more context about how this account should be used. Take a moment to review your changes and make sure everything looks correct. When you're happy with the updates, click Save and Close. Your chart of accounts will refresh and your edited account will now reflect the new details